Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we are always discussing about AI automation, how you can run your own AI voice, AI automation, different agencies. And I'm going to show you an excellent demo how using voice, we have automated KFC, everything for this biggest restaurant, KFC. This involves order taking, do tool calling where it is updating everything in the bill, and all of this has been properly automated. Let's go and let's see how exactly this is built. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go and take it from there. So exactly, as you can see my screen, this is a KFC demo, KFC voice agent that we've created. The person working at KFC is actually taking the order. We've got the whole menu on the left side, and then we're going to talk to the AI and we're going to see if we can actually collect all of the food automatically from the AI. Super interesting. So let's go with it.
Thank you for calling KFC. Welcome to our drive-thru. How can I help you tonight?
I'd like to get combos 2 pieces dark. Do you have it, and can you please get me them?
We have the 2-piece dark combo. That's one of our popular items. I can get that for you. So to confirm, you'd like to order 2 combos, each with 2 pieces of dark meat. Is that correct? And would you like to add any sides or drinks to that? Maybe some French fries or a drink?
That's correct. That's correct. And I'd not like to have, maybe add some French fries, but no drinks because I'm trying to be a bit more healthy these days. So can you please just add French fries to the order?
I'll add French fries to your order. So just to recap, you've got 2 combos, each with 2 pieces of dark meat, and I'm adding French fries to that. I'll go ahead and update your order. Your order has been updated. So to confirm, you've got 2 combos, each with 2 pieces of dark meat and French fries. Your total comes out to be 16. Is that all for tonight, or would you like to add anything else?
Actually, I changed my mind. Can you please remove the French fries?
I'll remove the French fries from your order. So to confirm, you just want the 2 combos, each with 2 pieces of dark meat, and that's it. I'll go ahead and update your order. Your order has been updated. So to confirm, you've got 2 combos, each with 2 pieces of dark meat. Your total comes out to be 14. We'll get that ready for you. Please drive up to the next window to pay and collect your order.
Perfect.
Thank you for...
Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'll just go and collect it there at the next order. Perfect. Thank you. So that's the thing. This whole AI agent is built using Voho platform. So right now you can go to voho.ai or vohoai.com. You just have to give a different prompt. So on the Voho AI, you can automatically create any prompt. But you've got more than 40 different languages. This agent is always available 24/7, as you know. The good thing about this is the agent understands and does the pricing, does the costing, and you can also connect it to Stripe. You can also connect it to different payment methods. So automatically going to do all the billing. So this is the power of voice AI agents. If you want to build something similar, you can just connect with me on this YouTube channel, or you could just message me out. I can provide you with the tutorial. If this is interesting, just check out the description. And secondly, if you want assistance in building something like this for you, we have done it for some of the biggest companies out there in the world. So just tell us, just check the form below, and then we take it from there. Super excited. And in the next videos, I'm going to go through deep into AI voice, AI automation, how all of these things are built. So I hope you're super excited and looking forward to it. So I hope you're super excited and then looking forward to sharing you all the AI information. And if you've got a lot of friends, just like and share with all of them if this was useful, really good for the algorithm. And we're building a community where we are teaching people all about AI, what's happening and how they can use it to benefit themselves, their businesses, or if they want to start a business, to actually automate it for every other business out there. There's so many niches out there that we could build this out for. Thanks a lot. And I forgot to show, look, my order even arrived. So voice AI works perfectly. As you can see, I've got my order. Let's see what we've got. We've got the double combo. Okay, we've got the double combo. Exactly what I was looking for. Perfect. This is the power of voice agents AI. If you want to learn, this is the best place to do it. Like and subscribe to this channel. Cheers.